Like it, play it, share it, sing it, move it, check it, dedicate it. Like it, play it, share it, sing it, move it, check it, dedicate it. Go Zoom it.
Hello and welcome guys, this is your social jockey Nikita welcoming you to another episode of Zoom It, जहाँ पर हर बार की तरह your surprise is gonna be Shruti Hassan जो आएंगी कुछ ही देर में. Do you like to be romantic or do you like to be chilled out or how is it?
My dinners and my movies and walks on the beaches like everybody else. That way I'm very simple. But ultimately, प्यार में I don't think it's the big romantic gestures. I think it's the small things that really count.
लेकिन उससे पहले we are going to go check out our first request for the day. खून चूस ले जो dedicate किया है प्रिया ने for all her teachers and उनका message is I dedicate this song to my teachers. अरे यार कितना खून चूस लेते हैं ये studies इस चक्कर में मेरा खून तो चूस ही लिया. Poor teachers. ये दिन बाकी रह गया था देखने के लिए. But you know what? Don't mind क्योंकि खून तो आप लोग चूसते हैं चाहे वो students के good के लिए क्यों ना हो. Well, after this, guys, we have a Twitter update by the King Khan. Yes, Shah Rukh Khan has recently tweeted saying, "Whole world एक तरफ, माधुरी की one झलक एक तरफ. Wish I could dance a little more with her on the show. Too much fun." अब बोला ये मुश्किल है कि who's more lucky? Is it Shah Rukh who's lucky to dance with Madhuri or Madhuri lucky to dance with Shah Rukh? Confusing, right? Well, ये confusion को जरा side में रखते हैं and let's check out our next request, which is Bhag DK Bose, and the request is.
My name is Aditya. I'm dedicating this song called DK Bose to my dad. One of the reasons will be all the lyrics. I am sure my dad must be thinking about the same thing for me also. He must be thinking I am not worth it. I really don't, go the way he thinks about it. And I like the rock a lot. And my dad thinks, I used to have a lot of curly hair and this and that, so maybe the singer also matches the way I used to look. So maybe yes, that is one reason I want to dedicate to my dad. Dad, I love you a lot, though I think you don't think too good about me.
कि अगर आप सोचते हैं that your dad doesn't think good about you, then think again. क्योंकि after all dads हैं, अगर strict नहीं होंगे तो क्या फायदा? Well, now guys, it's time for one short break. लेकिन कहीं मत जाएगा. Keep talking to me on my Twitter handle @KoZoomIt. Do you like to be romantic or do you like to be chilled out or how is it?
My dinners and my movies and walks on the beaches like everybody else. That way I'm very simple. But ultimately, प्यार में I don't think it's the big romantic gestures. I think it's the small things that really count.
Go Zoom it. Go Zoom it.
Welcome back to Zoom It, guys. This is your social jockey Nikita, and अब वक्त है हमारी अगली रिक्वेस्ट देखने का. So let's check it out. It is R.A. प्रीतम प्यारी जो डेडिकेट किया है सौर्य ब्राता मोहपात्रा ने to all the dance lovers, and उनका message is I love it. Even if anyone tells me to dance on this song at midnight, then 100% I'll assure that person that he or she isn't able to sleep that night any longer. As I'm a belly dancer, I often practice my pelvic movements on its bits. It's really awesome. Belly dancer. Wow. अब मुझे आपका डांस तो देखना है. And you know what? Since I'm a dance lover too, so I think the song is dedicated to me as well. Well, अगर अब सारे डांस लवर्स खुश हो गए हैं, तो let's get on to some बदतमीजी because our next request is बदतमीज दिल जो डेडिकेट किया है भाग्यश्री ने for all her 3 bosses. And her message is
Hi friends, my name is भाग्यश्री. मैं एक मेरा सॉन्ग डेडिकेट करना चाहती हूँ मेरे 3 सुपर कूल मैनेजर्स के लिए. एक है आदित्य सर, एक रवि सर और एक विशाल सर. तीनों बहुत सुपर कूल गाए, लेकिन तीनों मेरा सर पूरा पकड़ डालते. दिन भर मेरे पीछे पड़े रहते. ये कर वो कर, भाग्यश्री तूने ये नहीं किया वो नहीं किया. मैं दिन भर वो लोग से पक जाती हूँ, लेकिन मैं उनको छोड़ के जा भी नहीं सकती क्योंकि मैं उनसे बहुत प्यार करती हूँ. I love 3 of very well.
You know now that is an established fact कि जो लोग हमें बहुत तंग करते हैं are the ones who are very dear to us. वैसे it can be anyone. जैसे भाग्यश्री के लिए it's her 3 bosses and आपके लिए कौन है? चलिए सोचिए. Well, Sunday के दिन we are busy listening to music, but someone else seems to be busy cooking this morning. Well, recently Gul Panag ने tweet किया है poaching eggs Sunday breakfast. Well, आपके eggs तो काफी tempting लग रहे हैं. But moving on, guys, it's time for another break now. लेकिन कहीं मत जाए क्योंकि कुछ ही देर में Shruti Hassan is gonna be here with me. So keep talking to me on my Twitter handle @KoZoomIt. Do you like to be romantic or do you like to be chilled out or how is it?
My dinners and my movies and walks on the beaches like everybody else. That way I'm very simple. But ultimately, प्यार में I don't think it's the big romantic gestures. I think it's the small things that really count.
Go Zoom it. Go Zoom it.
Welcome back, guys. You're watching Zoom It, and And finally मेरे साथ इस वक्त यहाँ पर है one of the prettiest girls in Bollywood right now. It's none other than Shruti Hassan.
Thank you so much.
Welcome to the show, Shruti.
Thank you.
Anyway, to start with the show, you know, I take in music requests out here
Yes.
by people through Facebook, and
Achha.
I play it for them. So
Okay.
we're going to check out our first request, and I'll request you to read it out for us.
Acha, okay. The first request is for Jeene Laga Hoon.
Yes.
Actually, this is really nice because हर किसी को ये गाना I think teaser से ही अच्छा लगा.
It's quite soothing, I must say.
So we're very happy about that message. Just the perfect song for us. Reminds me about you. थोड़ी सी सेंटी हूँ तुम्हारी
पगली.
क्या करोगे? I love you so much forever. Thanks for loving me more than anything. मेरा प्यारा baby. Says Pragati to Kunal.
Kunal, yes.
Okay. I'm happy Pragati and Kunal that आप दोनों प्यार में इतने पागल हैं. Enjoy the song and I think it's like a really special song for us also, for the team.
So that was indeed a lovely song. But you know, इस गाने से I want to ask you, are you also very mushy in a relationship, or are you? How are you?
I hope I'm nice. I think I like my dinners and my movies and walks on the beaches like everybody else. That way I'm very simple. But ultimately, प्यार में I don't think it's the big romantic gestures. I think it's the small things that
Small
really
things
count.
that matter.
Yeah.
That's right.
Yeah.
I think that's what brings two people closer as
Yeah.
well.
और कभी-कभी लोग ना वो notice नहीं करते या value नहीं करते, but फिर बाद में लगेगा कि भाई that was very nice. That
That's
was
so
good.
true. That's
Yeah.
very well said.
Yeah.
But moving on, we're going to check out our next request, which happens to be a video request.
Yes.
So let's see.
Hi Nikita, my name is Devki and I would like to dedicate a song Bubbly Badmash to my best friend Urmi. It reminds me of all the badmashis that we did at all the house parties and which we will be continuing further.
That's so sweet.
That's really sweet.
Yeah, but you know, she's talking about house parties. So, like, do you like partying as such? And what is your idea of enjoying or just chilling out?
For me, I think more than like a club or like a party, I'm not that much. I like spending time with friends. I think, and that can be anywhere. I think it's more about the time you spend with the people you
And
love.
also the people you're spending time with.
Absolutely.
Like you're doing anything, I think.
Anything
then
is
just,
fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So guys, I think आप लोग को ये गाना सुनना चाहिए and you should just enjoy the company of your friends. So guys, moving on, Shruti, we're going to now see a Twitter update.
Yes.
You know, as I give Twitter updates to people as well on the show. तो हम देखते हैं हमारा जो अगला Twitter update is by Prabhu Deva, who tweets saying, "Today at the radio station, they all danced for our welcome. They all are superb dancers." You know, actually, I want to know from you. You work with Prabhu Deva. How is he? Like, how was the whole experience?
It was really nice because he's a very clear director. उनको बिल्कुल clearly पता है कि अपने actor से क्या चाहिए और उनके साथ dance करने में बहुत मजा आया. I really love dancing. मुझे मजा आता है. More than getting the step right, मेरा ध्यान, you know, I must have fun doing it.
Okay.
But प्रभु देवा सर के steps काफी complicated रहते हैं. देखने में simple लगते हैं, but when he does it simple लगता है, but when you do it, then you can feel the difference little bit. थोड़ा लगता है. But बहुत अच्छा experience था उनके साथ काम करके.
That's wonderful. Now, I think with that, we're going to move on to our next request.
Yes.
And I'd like you to read
This?
it out. Yeah, the third one.
Hey Nikita, you're looking so beautiful and gorgeous in every episode. Me and my friend Usman are the bestest friends in the world. So I can do anything for my friendship. Please play this for our friendship and and I watch every episode of your show. I love Zoom It. That's from Haider Khan to Usman Khan.
And the song is?
Vele.
Okay.
There you go.
So, that's like two friends being so close to each other. So guys, with this, we're going to take one short break, but don't go anywhere because with me is Shruti Hassan and she is going to tell you one secret right after this break. So kahin mat jaiye, baatein karte rahiye mujhse on my Twitter handle @GoZoomIt.
Go Zoom It. Go Zoom It.
Welcome back guys, you're watching Zoom It and this is our social jockey Nikita with Shruti Hassan. And our vakt hai that Shruti is going to reveal one secret of hers. So Shruti, please tell me firstly, what do you do to keep yourself so fit and fab?
Thank you. I don't know how fit and fab I am right now. But actually, it's just eating right and working out. मुझे खाना बहुत पसंद है, मैं बहुत खा सकती हूँ, मैं बहुत मोटी भी बन सकती हूँ, तो मुझे डाइट करना पड़ता है. And I'm not like naturally genetically blessed or anything, so I need to watch what I eat and work out like everyone else.
So is that one tip you'll want to give everyone?
Try and stay as happy as you can.
Yeah? So that totally works, is it?
Yeah, it really works.
So on that note, we are going to go see our next request.
Yeah.
So let's check out. It's a video request.
Hi, my name is Ali, and I want to dedicate this song Babaji Ki Booty from the movie Go Go Gone to my friend Apur, Abhishek and Dipanshu, because you know they always remain high only, they always fly in the air after using all those stuff. So yeah, Babaji Ki Booty for all those friends.
Well, let's just hope they enjoy the song.
I hope so too. So after this song, guys, it's time for another tweet, which is by Madhuri Dixit. And she has tweeted saying, on our way to a classical Indian music festival. But you know what, Shruti? हमारे पास आपके भी दो tweets हैं, where you had tweeted saying, some people are so besharam, it's fascinating. And that's not it, there's another where you say, how life changes. Change is the only constant turn with tides.
Yes.
So I want to know, what were you thinking?
The Besharam is about someone I saw spitting on the road,
Okay.
like right near my car.
Huh.
And like was looking at me, smiled, recognized me in Hyderabad and then spat pan.
Oh shit.
And it was really bad. So I thought he was very Besharam. So that tweet was about that.
Okay.
Life changing, yeah, sometimes I get into like a philosophical mood on
We
Twitter.
all do, yeah.
Yeah, and I do that a lot on Twitter. So it's just about how life is changing. It's like constantly changing. So don't try to fight it. Just go with the tides.
Okay. So that's you being all philosophical with your tweeples.
Pata nahi kitna philosophy hai, but yeah.
No, that is pretty much. I think that's something we all go through some or the other time. But moving on, we're going to see our next request now, which is Leila.
Sam Khan to Sunny Leon. Hi, I want to dedicate the song to Sunny. मैं आपका बहुत बड़ा fan हूँ, आपसे मिलने की तमन्ना है. And he wants you to call her on his show.
Okay. Well, अभी के लिए तो आपको Sunny नहीं दिखाने को मिलेगी, लेकिन I'm also going to show you the song Leila, which has Sunny in it, so enjoy the song. So guys, that was our last request for the show. But anyway, thank you so much for coming on the show, Shruti. And best of luck with Ramaya Vastavaya.
Thank you so
I'm sure
much.
it's going to do brilliant.
Thanks.
And so guys, with that, this is the end of the show. लेकिन उससे पहले I have to remind you, you have to keep sending in requests on apps.facebook.com/gozoomin and अपनी video requests भेजते रहिएगा on gozoomin@gmail.com. And don't forget to keep chit-chatting with me on my Twitter handle @gozoomin. Till then, this is your social jockey with Shruti Hassan saying, don't just like it, go zoom it.